Here's another Easy Rocks video for you all to enjoy. This time we're comparing two popular profiles similar in appearance between competitors and Easy Rocks. First up, let's look at the competition. As you can see here, the pattern repeats and the colors are very inconsistent. It looks painted on. As you can see here, there are noticeable cracks within the profile. Taking a closer look, you can see that the colors are very splotchy and inconsistent. Now let's take a look at Easy Rocks. The colors are more subtle and it's different in pattern and sizes. And there are no noticeable cracks within the profile. Taking a closer look, you can see that because it doesn't look painted on, the colors are a lot more natural. Now let's look at weight and appearance. So with the competition, the pattern repeats itself so you can see the creases, and it's heavier, meaning it's more expensive and harder to transfer and install. As for Easy Rocks, because it's different patterns and sizes, you can be more creative in installation, and it is lighter so it's easier to install and transfer. Let's do a dust check. Right out of the box, you can see the competition is very dusty, meaning when you install, you have to clean it right away. Same thing for Easy Rocks. Right out of the box, you can see there's very limited amount of dust, meaning once you install, you're ready to go. That's it. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow our Instagram page. And as always, we hope your day rocks.